At Giraffe Foods, we're not just selling sauce, we're selling innovation, and that's been a critical component to fuel our growth over the years. Our customers turn to us to provide value-add sauce development and to create great tasting products that keep their customers coming back for more.
People want different tastes, different flavors, and ultimately that creates SKU proliferation. The smaller, nimble manufacturers like a Giraffe that can innovate with the customer, can put in any type of packaging, and ultimately create unique products for the customer are winning in the market.
We'd built a lot of equity in the business. The business had grown tremendously from 10 employees to 200 employees, and we realized as a family that our wealth was really concentrated in one entity.
We developed an investment theme around the growth that was happening in the flavor industry broadly, and more specifically in the sauce, marinade, dip dressing space. Came across Giraffe, we were excited about their opportunity, the company, the R&D, the innovation, the investments they've made in the people and the facilities. Because we were able to acquire the business outside of an auction, we get to spend a lot of time with Ari and Michelle, get to know their family, understand what they were looking for the business, what they were looking for a partner.
One of the things that really attracted us to Graham was the family business heritage that they brought to the table. We're a very nimble, agile business. That's what our customers come to us for. And Graham Partners understood that. They understood the dynamic of a family business. They understood why family businesses grow faster and larger in a shorter period of time. When Graham Partners approached our business, they had already done research into the industry. They knew that there were a lot of macroeconomic trends that were driving growth in mid-sized food manufacturers that could focus on innovation for their customers. To have them see our vision for the growth of the business into the future was really critical. The partnership with Graham Partners and the operational resources that they've provided are really helping us to lead the company to the next level. We're continuously growing, and as we continue to get busier, we're hearing reports now from our plant managers that they're getting the orders out without extra time, cost, and labor. That really is a testament to the quick operational changes that we've made since Graham Partners got involved. Partnering with Graham Partners was important for us to provide access to capital and operational expertise so that we can continue to grow at that accelerated growth rate into the future.